this video, I'm just gonna cover some stuff, and then I'm also taking the Jeep to get it lowered. I got some Eibach Lowering Springs, I'm gonna have those installed. There's just some things I won't do. Stay tuned. Guess we'll see what it looks like when it gets finished. But I gotta head over there, drop the car off. They'll put the Eibach springs on, and we'll chat on the road.
3 hours later.
I just picked the Jeep up at the shop and got the Eibach Lowering Springs put on. When I originally walked around the vehicle, you could immediately tell that the car was lower. So I like that. I like the more of aggressive stance. It has like a little, you know, it's just a little lower. It's kind of cool. We're on our way to Home Depot right now after picking up the car. I got to get an adapter for one of my tools, so I'm going to run and do that. And I think that the parking lot at Home Depot's flat level. So I grab my tape measure and we'll measure the car from the ground to the top of the fender and see what we get. Driver's side front looks like 31.5. The passenger side front also about 31.5. Good. And the rear 33. And the driver's side rear 33.